12 drummers strumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 Louis 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milk and 7 swans, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a...
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Planmas Day 2. So as you can see here, it is a new pen day, and I am going to just make this disclaimer right here. Karina from Karina Loves to Plan, I need to stay off your channel. She recently featured a new pen on her channel, and of course I went and I ordered it, and it came rather quickly, which is I'm really surprised about. So this is the Vine. So let me move this out of the way. Slide this somewhere. I got a new Vine, and as you can see here, I got the new C80, and the colorway is Galaxy Blue. So let's see what she looks like. I wish I was one of those YouTubers who can open their stuff on camera, like straight from the packaging, the mailbox, and whatnot. I always do quality control. Like, is it everything is okay? Is it broken? Do I need to send it back? So if you hear some snoring in the background, my baby boy is sick and he's asleep. So this is the box that it comes in. I love this packaging. I love it. And if you don't want to keep your pen housed in this box, you can always repurpose it. And it comes with a set of instructions. In my understanding, it's for every type of pen that they have, from vacuum filling, piston filling, okay, dropper filling, converter, and then ink cartridge. And then it has here, use non-carbonated carbon inks and cartridges. Do not mix inks of different properties. You need to clean the pen first. When changing to another ink during use, empty and clean the ink filling system in time to avoid clogging. Soak the pen in warm water for several hours to dissolve the dry ink residue in the ink absorption system, and then remove the ink. Okay, so that is that. Okay, cool. So this, please check the note for using the fountain pen on the back. Okay, let's look on the back here. Never clean your pen with alcohol. And I'm sorry if you can't see this, it's frosted. Fill your pen with non-carbonated bottle ink. Carbon bottle ink, like waterproof ink, will clog your fountain pen easily. Vacuum filling pens, screw the blind cap all the way when you are writing. Piston filling, when the piston, does not move, it means it has reached its end. Twisting the knob forcibly will damage the piston system. Good to know. So I am going to put this back. But this is the pen, and again, mine is in the colorway Galaxy Blue. She is thick. She is the cigar shaped pen. She does not have a clip. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I see like a little shimmer in my pen. And this is a converter. It will cap, but I don't think it's secure enough. The one thing that she raved about this pen is that it has a number 8 nib. Huge nib, huge. And look at that feed. Okay, and this is a converter system. So it just says Vine engraved right there. And of course, you just twist your converter. So she is beautiful, beautiful. So let's weigh the pen. I do have like a little small scale here. Ow. I have not used it in a good while, so hopefully the battery still works. I'm going to zoom you in just a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see. There we go. So the pen itself weighs about 25 grams. The pen without the cap, if I can get it to stay, 17.5, and then the cap is 7.6. So there we go. So it fits comfortably in my hand without me trying to cap it. And if I do cap it again, it's not secure, but it's extra long. I hold my pen like this. I hold all my pens like this, where as you can see, I've had this since I was maybe like 4 or 5. So I hold my pens like this and it's comfortable. And I did get mine in a fine nib. So let's compare her to some pens that I've already pulled out. So I have my Benu Euphoria in Iced Caramel Latte. I have the Esterbrook Oversize in Candy. I have the Esterbrook Piston Field in Blue Moon. And then I have this Jinhao X750. So I'm just gonna lay it right there in the middle. It's about the same size as the Esterbrook Oversize and the Esterbrook Piston Field. Let's see if it's the same size as, oops, the Benu. Yep, just about the same. And then the Jinhao X750. A little bit shorter. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the caps off. All right, so all the caps are off. As you can tell, the Asvine nib is so much bigger than all of the other nibs. I think the other nibs are like, this is the, gosh, it's on the tip of my tongue and I cannot get it out, but I will definitely put it on the screen. Let me see if I can find it. No, it's not on here. But you can tell that this nib is way larger than the rest of the Schmidt nib. Sorry, but you can tell these are Schmidt nibs and they are so much smaller than the Asvine nib. So I'm gonna put the caps back on, put my pens away, and we're gonna see if we can find an ink to go in our pen. All right, so I have gathered 4 inks from previous Inkvent calendars. Now, don't ask me which one is which or which Inkvent. I got the 2022 Inkvent and the 2023 Inkvent. I did not get the 2024 Inkvent, which I think it was black last year. And I am getting the 2025 Inkvent. Those videos are coming. So I ended up getting I picked out Serendipity, whoops, Upon a Star, Silent Night, and then Velvet Emerald. And I'm in the process of cataloging all of my inks, so this will be a little bit better in the future, so just hold tight. So I'm looking at Upon a Star. I've used Serendipity before. I've never used Silent Night. Upon a Star is a chameleon ink. I can't tell. It has some shimmer properties in it. And then Silent Night is a standard ink. I almost want to use Velvet Emerald. This is also a standard ink. And then Serendipity is a shimmer and sheen. I don't want to deal with the shimmer and sheen right now, so we're not going to do that one. Let's see. I think I'm going to do Upon a Star. So we're going to ink our Asvine C20 with the Upon a Star ink, and I will be right back, you guys. So now I have here my here is my Sterling Ink A5 notebook. So I've already got it set up for new pen day, and Just wipe the excess ink off again. Okay. This, and as you can tell, I got ink on my fingers. It's okay. This is the As Vine. C20 in the colorway, I gotta look again, Blue, Galaxy Blue. And then this is inked with Diamine. Upon a Star. Oh, she writes so smooth. For a pen to write so smooth right out of the box. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna do this Karina Loves the Plan style. Okay. So I'm gonna be just write my thoughts about my initial thoughts on the pen. Yeah. This pen writes so smooth right out of the box. A rare, comfortable pen for my hand and style of writing. I am thinking of purchasing one in my favorite color, which you guys know that my favorite color is green. I do not regret this purchase. Thank you so much, Karina, for your suggestion. So, yeah, this pen here is very, very nice. I think it was maybe $20 on Amazon. I'll leave a link below. Of course, I don't make any commission off that link, but I will leave it linked below. This is a very nice pen. If you have rather large hands like I do, like I wear a size 9 ring, but my hands are long. This ring is very comfortable. The threads, I don't feel them at all. Even with my hand down here and my thumb and my forefinger up against the threads, I don't feel them at all. They're not rough. They're very smooth. This pen is quite comfortable in my hand, even without it capped. So if you're looking for a very inexpensive cigar-shaped pen with a number 8 nib, this is the pen for you. I absolutely love this pen. So I'm thinking about getting one more in my favorite color, and we shall see. So thank you so much for joining me, you guys. This is Planmas Day 2. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And in the meantime, in between time, you guys be safe, be blessed, and have a wonderful day. Bye.